Up everybody, it's a really nice day here in the garage. Got the Bogomobile, dropping some oil from the radiator I think, which is also leaking. RX-7, love you baby. Gonna do some cleaning up today. Got the Swift just sitting there. I might actually put the dummy block in there a bit later on, and a few of these bits that are just lying around, we've got to trim up some stuff and get it going good. And then we got a whole heap of sheet metal that we got to work out this weekend. Oh, if I can get it here, there we go. So these are going to be our sills. There's meant to be two, but they had a bit of a stuff up at the shop, so this is actually the driver's side floor. You can see the passenger side one is kind of in. We've done some bead rolling, so we're just seeing how good it will go. We'll match up that with the other side, and we've got a panel to go in the center section there. Some of this stuff here, we got that. As you can see, the wheel tub there, we've got to finish fitting that up, but we're going to clean up today. How exciting. So all of that stuff there, there's a nice little space over there and amongst all the crap. That's going over there. All of that shit's getting cleaned up. That's going outside. These things were part of a drawer set up in the back of my patrols. They're going to get stored somewhere else. Going to pick up all that aluminium and store it away. That's going out there. It's going on a bench with the rest of my woodworking stuff, and all this shit's getting cleaned up. So hopefully by the end of the day, the body is going on the bench. The chassis is going to go over here with enough room to get around to all of our stuff that we can't get to at the moment. And then the RX-7 is just going to come back in and be where it is. Much better. Soon, my pretty. Soon. You'll get your turn. Now dark outside. Don't look over there. Look, I cleaned all this up, and now we put a car there, and there's enough room there where Scott is to put the other car and still have room here to work and room here to work. Just need to work out where that other shit goes, but I'm happy.
The next day.
We got this side panel tacked in. We're gonna cut a piece, go that deep, and then we're going to shape it around all of the stuff that we care about. up there, around that, because we're using that as a point, and down there, and then we'll do that, and we'll do it across there and right around the outside. So we're just gonna cut a piece, do some cardboard templating. Yeah, and then we'll weld it in, and we'll have something nice here. We're gonna bring a little flange out here where the firewall's gonna be, and it'll pretty much follow it around. So once we cut this one out, we're gonna get some cardboard, probably some thicker stuff, so we can run around it with the plasma cutter. But we'll make some templates of this piece so we can do the other side the same. And we can have all this stuff pre-cut before we weld it on. This is where we're at. Mess, still. But we got our piece in there. It nicely kind of lines up there. That tack's got to be ground down a little bit. But we come back here. We'll leave a little bit of meat on the edge there. Just might run it down a little bit. But it should be all right. We want to put a bit of weld down there. So we'll tack it down. We'll leave a bit of meat and then we'll grind it to match, I guess. What do you reckon?
Sounds like a plan.
So Scott's just done a quick little template here out of cardboard. We've got some offcuts of this corner, so what we're going to do, we're just working out angles. So we're going to lay this out flat on the corner of our scrap, so it'll be a straight edge along here, and then that along there, and then we'll bend that up just like that to close it in when we're done, and I think that'll finish it off nicely.
A little more. Looks close, not quite. Okay, that looks about right. A bit more.
Well, that's pretty close. Are you happy with that? I've just got that cardboard template, but it's not usual cardboard. I don't know if you can see that. It's like at least 2, maybe 3 mil thick. So it runs up against the tip there. I don't know how you can see that, and then we just run down like that. And as you can see, it doesn't get too hot for the cardboard. Works pretty good.